Yo, what's up, everybody? What's up? How y'all doing today? Hope y'all are doing good. Hope you got a lot of presents this holiday season. I didn't get shit, but it is what it is. Look, hey, you want to show me appreciation for Christmas? Drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. That would help me out a lot, you know. But we're gonna get back into this next episode of Chainsawman. Last time on Chainsawman, we found out what happened after everybody got shot. Apparently, Makima did not die. She came back and just blew holes in everybody. She was like, you know what? I'm not dead. I got continues, bitch. So that happened. They were trying to kidnap Denji. Then Kabini comes out of nowhere, and apparently she's fucking badass. We also found out that all the divisions came under fire. The majority of them died except for all the non-humans and a couple of humans that was like, I think there's like 3 of them that's still alive. And plus, you know, obviously like Aki and all of them, but the majority of all the other divisions died, right? They're all gone. So Mino's gone. We said farewell to our alcoholic waifu, and you know, they got Denji back. So we're going into the aftermath of all that. So we're about to get back into it. Like I said, you know, for my holiday, you know, Christmas present or New Year's, drop a like, add a comment, subscribe to the channel. Help your boy out. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and get into it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get into this next episode. Let's do this shit. All right. Yeah, they all in the hospitals right now. Scale battle. Okay. Oh. I wonder how fucked up Aki is. Cause he used that sword. He wasn't supposed to use that sword. It's like, what the fuck? Really looks at that apple. I shall eat it. It's like, what the? Yeah, calm y'all ass down, man. This man gotta wake up to this bullshit, bro. You gotta wake up to 2 grown ass children fighting each other. Are you serious? Y'all could. Division 4, huh? Oh. They gotta tell them the bad news. Damn, he quit. Oh, fuck. Ooh. This is kind of awkward. What? I only came to eat the fruit? You came to eat this shit as a good. Come on, man. So y'all brought these apples. Damn, they didn't even bring apples for him for real. They just brought apples so they can eat. Did you decide? Oh, I guess I'll leave you. Look at this mess. This man is in this type of situation, and y'all coming here with this shit. I would have been like, man, get the fuck out. It's spilling. Damn. Only 2 years? Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, man, this is bad. Yeah, you need to smoke after that shit. I feel you. Holy shit, that was a crazy ass transition. Aw, man, come on. Stop rubbing this in, man. Yeah, he's about to break, bro. I feel sorry for Aki, man. Oh, yo, you should have smashed it while you could, cuz now you never get the chance to. I know that's not the reason he's crying, but I'm just saying. I mean, he should have took advantage of that. Yeah, that sucks. That sucks, bro. He's crying. Okay. Damn, Denji. Damn, bro. Huh. Okay.
でも姫の死んでも初めて友達になろうっつってくれた人なのに俺ひどくね
Yeah, you are kind of shitty, Denji.
パワーが死んだら泣けるか
No, nah.
泣けねえか
I was like,
あ
nah.
いつが死んだら泣けねえなマキマさんが死んだらマキマさんが死んだら 多分俺はしばらくへこむけど3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思うな最高だもん
Yeah, that's right. He didn't have he wasn't raised like normally though.
心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなく
Nah,
なっちゃ
not really. Yeah, I don't think your heart is gone, bro. You just ain't. You didn't have a normal life at all. So I can see how you would turn up like that. Yeah, there you go. Why bother taking it serious? Yeah, there you
楽
go.
しくねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからなさっさとマキマさんに会いに行こう
憂鬱じゃ
Such melancholy. Where did these two come from?
泣いてた
Were you crying?
一回うちら出てく
We
る
come. We should come over. Okay.
なんだお前ら
Said, don't worry about it, guys. I just had to get it out.
私たち行きまし
Oh,
た
そのリンゴ食べていいですか
I don't like this guy. Guy seems like a butthole.
指導
Huh. No, we're not getting copyrighted. No, sir. No, sirree. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what kind of chest cold I got, but this shit is wicked, bro. This shit is fucking me up. I've been eating peppermint for like a week trying to get this shit to go away.
ホテル事件と今回のでデンジ君が敵勢力に狙われ
So
て
they're
いる
still
ことが
after
分
Denji.
かった
Denji, they still after your
だから
chainsaw,
なんか
bro.
評価しようと思ったんだけど残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね君たちを指導するのは彼だよ
Oh.
彼の名前は
His name. She said, don't tell my name. You don't need to know that. Damn. You talking to Makima like that, too.
仲間が死んでどう思った
別に
死んだと思った
敵
Damn.
に復讐したいか
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね
Uh-huh.
わしも
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ
俺を面倒見てくれる方
Huh?
ってる方
Wow. That's some crazy ass answer. Oh, it's this guy. Let's go.
お前たち100点だ
怖い
She said, I'm frightened.
こちらは指導だ
じゃああとはよろしく
マキマさん
Yeah, she heard the OST come in too. She was like, I'm
俺
kind
は
of
特
scared.
一家でデビルハンターをやってる
Oh, special division
先生
one.
と呼ばれると気持ちは酒と
Blues
女
women
と悪
killing
魔を
devils.
殺す
Oh.
ことだ
Why you so close, bro? Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, he's choking the fuck out of them. God damn. Oh, they can't move. Oh, he broke their neck?
お前たちの筋肉と
Well,
骨
like
の
the same
仕組み
thing.
は
Oh.
俺たちと同じだ
He did, didn't he? Yeah.
人間様とち
Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of fucked up.
何しやがるてめえ
マキマにお前たちを鍛えてくれと頼まれた
Uh-oh.
なんでさ
Oh
っき
shit,
わ
you
し
call
ら
him
を
a
締め
scrub, bro.
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるがお前たちみたいな悪魔は一度もない、酔った俺はどうしようかと考えたそしてアルコールにやられた脳でついにひらめいた俺は最強のデビルハンターだ
Okay.
最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから
Oh shit.
お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで俺はお前たちを狩り続ける
いつ頭が終わった
His brain is diseased.
じゃあ再開だ
よ
デンジ
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, sit down. Damn! Wait, what the fuck? Was that a gunshot? Oh Oh shit, bruh. He stabbed him 3 times. Shit sound like gunshots, man. God damn. Boy, look at his face. Yo, he got the same expression I had when I heard that shit. I was like, damn. He's like, does this motherfucker got a gun? That shit sound like fucking gunshots. He just stabbed him. Holy shit. I can't remember this character's name, by the way. Oh, damn. Well, Genji's dead again. Power. Damn, he straight up killed Denji. I mean, Power ain't dead right now, but she is dying though. Boys are more. Fiend is mostly immortal. Okay.
とっさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持っていて、二人に人権はない。俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。
Oh shit.
ここに生かしたやつら
badasses. Okay. Damn, give them some blood already, man, before they die. Power's about to die, man. Okay.
君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わ
Wow,
せ
the
てもらえへ
Fox
んだろう
Devil's
ね
pissed off. He was like, yo, bruh,
その刀も
you put that stupid ass sword devil on my mouth and it cut me in half. I ain't helping you out no more.
続けるなら続けるで、それなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。
Okay.
覚悟。そう、覚悟。
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して、
Okay.
得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。
Yeah, I know, right?
なのになんでやめれるんですか？
Yeah. He ain't quitting. He's just as
そうで
crazy.
すか。わかりました。
He only got like 2 years of his life
じゃあ
left anyway,
今日はもう
so
遅いんで帰りますわ。
might as well go all in, right?
書類とかも。
I don't know. I think Aki's one of the crazy ones for real, man.
Neru kara kaeru. 明日家に迎えに行くからな。
They look done, bro. They are done, man. They are fucking done. What is going on with your brain out of... What was that? Oh, it actually worked. Okay. Yo, his brain was like out of commission for a second, man. Sometimes I die today. Oh.
20回以上
Over 20 times. Damn.
死んだ時、大体わしも気絶しとるから、正確にはわからん。
Damn, so he probably died more. So y'all both was getting killed like constantly.
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえぞ。
Mm-hmm.
楽しくなるために頑張ってきたのに、楽しくなくて頑張るのはクソだ。
一緒に逃げるか？
Yeah, where
逃げた
y'all...
ら公
I
安
know,
から
right?
逃げたことになって。
Where y'all gonna run to?
今
They
度
just gonna
本
come
当
and
に
kill
俺た
you.
ちは悪魔扱いじゃね。
Makima don't even have to come and kill you. She can just do that shit from afar.
だんだんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
わかった。
Oh.
何が？
あいつを倒す方法じゃん。
Oh, this should be
あい
good.
つは超強いが。じゃが、酒で頭がダメになっておれ。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
What are you talking about, Power?
俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなって。
Oh my god, this
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか
war of
俺
wits.
すげえ頭良くなってき
You
た。
guys are such dumbasses, bro. Like,
わしはもう戦
This is not gonna work out well.
二つの頭脳が合わさっちまったらよ逆に負ける方がむずいんじゃねえか
This is not gonna work out well.
この血の匂い
Oh, they put the glasses on too. Y'all a bunch of nerds. They so
俺
stupid.
たちの日常を壊すやつは死だ
Putting on glasses.
超インテリ
Glasses.
作戦
Putting on glasses doesn't make you smarter. Whoa. Whoa, how the fuck he dodged that?
頭狙ってきやがった待ち伏せしやがって今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな
Oh shit. Wow. Whoa, bruh. This dude's a monster, man. Damn! Doesn't look like the plan worked, guys.
今までで一番良かったぞ敗因は2つパワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて
Oh, so she can't use too much blood. Okay.
デンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ今回は良かったからもう終わりだ
もう終わりだって
ラッキーじゃ
Damn. God damn, bro. This dude has no chill, man.
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな
That is true. Damn, dead again, Dingy. Dingy, your death count is going up, man. Holy shit. That dude's badass, though. I still don't remember that character's name. I keep trying to think of it, but I don't remember that shit at all.
契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど
Okay.
俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ
君は仕事に復帰したらライオンの檻に飛び込むんです。
関係ないっすけど昨日の美人彼女さんですか
すぐそういう話。
I know, right? Mind your own business, bitch.
バディの妹の方です
Oh, so that was Hamino's
じゃあ
younger
殴ら
sister.
れました
Okay.
いえ手紙をもらいました
Oh.
手紙
Damn, this shit is still sad. This shit still bothering me the way Hamino died, man. I was like, fuck up.
それは私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です
Okay.
あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします
Hey. Well, then again, her sister's free, right? Sister's available, I'm just saying. Okay. Seems like just a basic. Oh. Take his meds. Oh. Get his ears pierced. Okay. Oh, so she got him to do that. Oh, damn. Why is he walking like that? He's walking weird.
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ
So she was trying to get him to quit because she don't want him to die.
公
the
安
future
でこい
devil,
つと
huh?
契約している人は2
What
人
is- Oh.
1人は寿命半分もう
Oh, I
一人は
remember this guy.
両目と味覚
Yeah.
嗅覚を差し出しています
Oh shit. One gave both their eyes.
気に
One
入られれば安く済みますよ
gave like what? I think he said half their life or something like that.
どうぞ
Why would you, man? I wouldn't want to make a contract with this fucking devil. What exactly does he have to give though? Because he only has 2 years on his life. I mean, it could take organs or something like that, but that doesn't seem like it would be any fun. I wonder what it's gonna take from him. Oh, his eyeball. Okay. All right. No copyright. No copyright. All right. So this was the aftermath of everything that happened. So, you know, Denji and Power is training with their, I don't know the guy's name. I can't remember his name right now, but I'm pretty sure I'll find out later on. But they're getting their asses handed to him by this best devil hunter in the business. Like, he's beating their ass. He's killing them over and over again until they get better. Aki's about to make a new contract. So we're going to see where it's going to go from here. Do me a big favor, hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more reacts or games, whatever. Or you can just stop by just to see me do other stuff. And also drop a comment. And I'm going to go ahead and get up out of here, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will holler at you later. Deuces.